my dad and my mom and my cousin. So I just went in, checked in my luggage, and I have a little time left, so just walking around and trying to get food, and then I'll be heading to my gate. Bye bye.
To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn.
So I'm in my flight to Tokyo right now. I'm not sure how well the sound is because I'm right next to the engine, but hopefully you can hear me. But this has been really stressful morning. Like, I missed my flight. I cried. And it's not that I didn't arrive on time or anything like that. I arrived on time, but somehow the border, so I have a connection flight in the US, the border to the US had such a huge line, and that's what made me miss my flight. Like, thankfully, I was able to rebook myself a ticket, and I actually arrived around the same time. At the end, everything turned out okay. I only had like a 15-minute layover, so that was also stressful because I didn't know if I was going to make it on time, but everything worked out. So I'm really happy. I'm on my flight now. Everything is looking good, and there's like no one on the flight almost. It's like really empty, so I got the whole seat to myself. I could sleep comfortably. There's also an earthquake in Tokyo, and a pretty bad one. Like, my friend said that all the metro actually closed down, so hopefully by the time I arrive everything will be back up. So yeah, hopefully I get there safe. Waiting to get documents checked. Just waiting over here. I'm from Canada and I have my 3 vaccines, so I don't need to quarantine. Just waiting for my COVID test. Got my negative test. Now I'm just gonna go to customs. I'm so tired and hungry. It took like 3 hours. Like, just for all of the procedures, a lot of waiting time, but now I just have to go through customs, so hopefully I'll be quick. Yabai, Alicia! Yabai, sama? Yabai.
SICA をここに置いて、でしたら多分チャージするか。
Please touch the button of your choice.
どれがいいかな。
とりあえずはショップだからさ。
Insert cash. Insert cash.
アリシア電源切れたら。切れてない？
大丈夫だよ。
かわいいね。
Let's see my room. Ooh, いいじゃん。There's a fridge, a desk. やばい、ピローがないよ。
三角ピローにするしかないよもう。
めっちゃお腹空いてる。
ねえ、めっちゃお腹空いてる私。なんなら私これと普通にこれとか食べたい。
何にしようかな。なんか物が多すぎてさ、食べない。
今何時だと思ってんの？
I have no pillow, so I used him as my pillow, and this is like fabric I thrifted for just some sewing projects, but I mean it worked. I'm gonna have to go buy some, and like towels. This is what I used to take my shower. Just got this at the konbini. Gotta do what you gotta do. I wanted to film like when I went shopping, but it rained super hardcore yesterday. Like the rain was really bad. And I was carrying like 4 bags and an umbrella, and I just couldn't film anything. So I'll just show you guys what I got. I went to get these bed sheets, and I thought that'd be like this cute little bed set, but it's actually a futon cover. My reading really sucks, so I didn't notice. So it's not actually a bed sheet. It's like just this thing with a zipper to put it over the futon. So I still don't really have bed sheets, but at least I got myself a pillow, and I got myself a very comfy sheet, and it was 50% off. So yeah, I got some hangers, I got some shampoo, conditioner, stuff like that, and like laundry detergent, and yeah, just a bunch of essentials. My room is quite a mess right now. I haven't unpacked yet, so once I do that, I will be doing a full room tour. So yeah, make sure to look forward to that video. And I also wanted to show you guys the rooftop, so let's go together. It's actually really warm today. I think it's gonna rain a bit later today, but here's the view. This person has such a pretty garden, and I think that's a cherry blossom, but it hasn't bloomed yet. Oh my god, the little pond, and there's koi fish. Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, this is my rooftop. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my vlog of moving to Japan. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll definitely be posting a lot more about my life here. I know I didn't get to film much of Japan just these past few days. I've been running everywhere, just trying to get all of my stuff together. I'll have a lot more fun vlogs coming up. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you all in my next video.